Hey everybody, I finally finished these Warhammer figures. So this is the Age of Sigmar Myrmourn Banshees. Now if I butchered it, just give me a break on that one. So I've always wanted to get into doing minifigs, and a lot of people on YouTube make them look so easy and so cool and so fun to do. So these was one of the first kits that I actually got to actually try it. I had these put together and primed since February of 2020, and they've been just sitting there, and I had a video made back then and I had it posted to YouTube, but I had it as a private file so nobody would even see it. And then one day I just was like, well, I'm going to get back at it. So I posted it. So it's been quite a while since then. So if anybody's new, I did do a video of this when it first came out. But this is my first attempt at doing a minifig. I'm hoping that the light does not wash out the detail that I've done on these. I had a lot of fun doing them. This is actually oil paint. It is not acrylics, it's not airbrushed, it's actually brushed on. It took about 3 or 4 days to finish drying. It's still a little tiny bit wet feeling, and so I'm still not handling them too much. I am going to give them a clear coat with this stuff. It's supposed to be for oil painting, so it's picture varnish. I'm hoping that it actually works pretty good. So I'm going to try to do this without touching them too much. Let's see. So on this one, you can see I did the fade. So this is like a bluish green, and then it fades into the white. So I painted that all white and then put a little bit of that bluish green in it, pulled it down. The breastplate and all that is a gold. I was able to find some metallic oils just in case it's washing it out. And then I have some silver on the chest, and then the knife is silver. I got some black wrought iron fences. I got some roses down here, and then some concrete for the fences. This one also has a headstone. So the back, I did 3 different colors of blue, and of course you put the darkest down first, and then you put the lighter on the edges, and then you kind of blend it in. And as you can see on this other one off to the left, the deeper areas are almost black. And I can't remember the guy's name, but he's been doing oil painting on miniatures and getting everybody started on it, and it's actually quite easy. Like I said, this is my first attempt at them, but they do have quite a bit of cool detail. So you put dark colors down first, then you actually wipe it off, but it's not all the way off, so it stays in all these little creases. So when you're actually painting it, it'll actually come back out. It'll blend with the color, and it'll give you all the shadows without doing a wash. It's almost like a backwards wash. So, and then you can see the rose detail and all that. If I was to do this with acrylics, it would not be nowhere close to as good. The oil paint actually adds a lot of detail to it without having to know what you're really doing. There's a lot of cool little skulls in there. Sorry for how wobbly that is. But you can see one hiding in there. There's a, I think like a pelvic bone in that one, and everything else. So it's kind of like the tomb, some rib cages, there's a skull in the back, so it's like that's that Banshees tomb. And then on this one here, the headstone and everything's broken, and it's kind of like a concrete top on there. But I'm really hoping that this is actually capturing the color and the detail, so that way it looks as good as it does in person. Well, let me know, guys, what you guys think. I know I got a few subscribers that watch that are experts at minifigs. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's not nowhere close to some of you guys is out there, but it's very enjoyable, and I see why people get hooked to it so bad. I got a few more kits that I'm going to have to attempt to do. I don't know if I'm going to do all in oils. I might try some in acrylic, just so I can see the difference, so that way I can change. The only problem with the oils, it does take so long to dry that I'll have to find a way to hold all of them, so that way I can have the holders with them till they dry completely. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you then. Bye.